Like you don't just jump into it, man. You gotta do some research. You gotta learn some shit. He's like,
Yeah.
can you give me a 10-minute crash course? I was like, no.
Dude, that's why I send all y'all's asses to In the Money. I give you all the hour.
That's what I told him.
I mean, it's a great tutorial though. It's amazing.
He is. I'll be honest.
I know it's
I watched In the Money before I ever even found you.
I don't know how I found him. I thought he was just less full of shit as the other YouTubers. That's how I found him. I was like,
oh fuck! There's gonna be like a little bit of a delay. Let me see. I have it on ultra low lane. I would mute my. I don't care what you do. Fuck, do whatever you want to do. I don't care. But
go ahead and live life.
But
you do you, bro.
The bit rate's really good though, so that's good. Sorry though that that's really unfortunate that I can try to figure out a way around that. I don't know how I'm gonna figure it out, but I'm sure we have a whole bunch of people in the Discord. I get DMs all the time about random shit, so someone will probably tell me something.
Are you live right now on YouTube?
It's unlisted. It's just.
Oh, I was gonna say okay.
And there's no face, so there's no perks to be in there.
Consolidation around $18 is fucking amazing.
It's gonna go fucking bonkers, bro. The only thing I'm worried about is GME right now. If GME starts dipping, dear God, does it hurt AMC?
I don't think it does.
Honestly,
I think there's more holders in AMC than there is GME.
Like I went
Nasdaq down. The fact that it's still consolidating.
Yeah, I'm the guy. Like zero risk.
Yeah, SPY tanked this morning too, and it's just trading sideways.
that's gonna kill the IV, isn't it?
It'll take it won't instantly hurt it. No, it'll take I mean, like for instance, right? When we were up here, if you look at my screen, you can see we trended at these high ranges, right? You can see how we double topped over here. You can go back to the chart on AMC. Right, we trended up there. That's the same place in the IV. Now, we got a little bit higher here, but it just stagnated. So you can see how it hurt the IV a little bit. Yeah, it did, but not terrible. If that makes sense. You can see, yeah. That should make sense.
200,000 shares back.
200,000 shares back, you said?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of delay on that too, so you have to know that. So like they won't report the next. So like they report at 45, so it's 850 right now.
Oh, I'm going off a Stonko tracker. I think it does it right away. I could be wrong. Oh no, it's like 6 minutes or something.
Dude, I don't know what to believe with all those websites. To be honest, I mean, I really don't. Like, I think like.
I mean, they all show pretty much the same data.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, I know Stonko tracker. The guy was. Remember, he was in my live streams on.
Yeah.
Is it the crazy awesome company, whatever the fuck it is?
Yeah. It's just weird. Like Fintel updated their shares available, but they didn't update the fee.
What do you mean? It's the same fee, right? I saw it was like 6.8 or some shit.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
I just don't. Yeah, Fintel you can't.
Yeah, GME's coming down. I think this is the question everyone has: is like, can AMC do it on its own? That's like the big question.
You would think with it being a cheaper stock, then it would.
Yeah, I think we have more people in general in it.
Dude, there's no covering though yet, in my opinion. There's
no.
They're. I mean, just look at the movement. Like, I mean, yeah, you got like one leg up, give or take. Yeah, fuck yeah, cool, one leg. I mean, bro, look at this shit. You know what I mean? Look at GameStop, like.
Oh damn! Gap went back above monthly open.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
I know.
I guess my mic was muted.
Wow. You fell for the Tyler sell signal. I couldn't have watched this.
I held it.
Dude, this is the week of Tyler selling early. fucking X, Gap, and to top it off with a fucking cherry AMC.
Yeah.
Dude, Zom took a poop.
Yeah, after the X loss, I wasn't playing a commodity. If I lose off a commodity or like something in a sector, I usually like will back off. Unless it's tech, then tech is a little different. But yeah, Gap is gonna probably kill earnings, but the earnings they report after or before after hours. But congrats, I guess if you didn't fall for the signal there, I'd take profits. I would take profits. So either
I want to see what it does at this resistance.
Gap.
I seem to only follow you when it keeps going up. That's what I'm learning right now.
Dude, fuck. Tough.
That's how we learn, though. That's how we learn.
Yeah, I mean, I don't claim to be perfect. You know what I mean? I think that's like a super important part of like the Discord. That like you get to see like where because you're gonna see where I fuck up. You know what I mean? Like, I try to be as transparent as possible. Y'all haven't really experienced a really bad session though with me. Like, and it's gonna happen, and people are gonna be like, "Tyler's a fucking con artist."
Didn't you say March was really bad?
March was terrible. But like, if you go look at the price action, March was fucking horrendous, dude. If you ask any of the members here, I'm surprised they stayed. That was tough. It was like two weeks.
A lot of shows are better.
2 weeks of hell. That's what it was.
Yeah.
March was fucking ugly.
But dude, April, let me tell you something. March 31st. March 31st, I gave a little pep talk. I was like, look, it's gonna be the most bullish month we've had in a while. And tech went.
I got out of my Tesla call with 20% up, so I think
You're fucking nuts. Y'all are fucking.
I'm not going there. I got up 2%, and I said, you know what, I'm out. I was like,
Yeah, you're nuts. I mean, it's like flagging down. Fuck that. Oh my god.
get out.
Oh my god. I wouldn't touch that woman with a 10-foot pole. Look at that shit. That's scary as fuck.
Like we're learning from you to take profits.
What?
He said at least we're learning to take profits.
I was like, okay, I'm out.
Yeah, I would have been the fuck out of that. I can't believe it's even going. I can't believe Tesla's even going up with SPY getting crushed. And I mean, well, I guess they're technically up from yesterday, like a little SPY barely. It kind of started up, but oh fuck.
I need to sell that. That ride is up 80% from yesterday.
Dude, that Riot and shit. Riot's a legit company though. That's the good thing. But Riot and Mara, dude, those fucking companies fucked up. Man, they're fucking scary.
They're the only real one. Like, I did a lot of due diligence on them. Like, I don't like Mara because Mara likes to pay their shareholders a lot. Like, they don't really use the money well. If you look at their balance sheet, Riot literally has no debt. They are a legit company. The management team is strong. They're one of the few U.S. good miners. Like, I wouldn't touch Mara, but I like Riot as a company overall. They seem to be they're better they're well managed.
I'm just waiting to hear the people say, "Take all your AMC profits and go only in on SOS."
Oh, here we go. We got CNBC calling the squeeze. I was gonna put a Denzel Washington training day where he goes, my nigga, but that was probably I could not do that on social media. I'd get canceled instantly.
It doesn't go as well.
Oh,
as it does
1840. Yeah, well, I can't do it with this profile picture. I look a freaking Nazi or some shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, what's the story behind that?
Your eyes green. What are you doing?
My eyes have been red for 2 months now.
Yeah, that's old though.
Dude, I'm not turning that shit green.
That's
red.
for the Bitcoiners.
I stay locked in. Actually, all the Dogecoiners have those fucking green. Actually, yeah, I think they're taking it from AMC. It's just kind of funny. But
they are. They're like, fuck you guys. We'll do it too.
Dude.
His eyes are red because of all the high tide.
Yeah, all the highs, yeah, right? Oh my god, look at this fucking rip. Oh my god, I'm just gonna be doing laps around my neighborhood, fucking butt naked, dude. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Can you stream that? But then you said naked and
money.
Manchester, you won't do it.
You're running around the neighborhood with the fucking belt on.
That 56 push.
Only thing I'm worried about is 20. What happens at 20?
Belt.
When do we get to see the belt and shit? What the fuck?
The belt, yeah, just run around the neighborhood just with the belt on.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, just put your options belt on and go.
Just tie it around like
Oh,
your
dude.
waist right there.
If these $40 calls play out to what I think they are, I mean,
Oh my god.
dude, the fucking belt's gonna be just the beginning. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do.
That's what I was saying the other day. I wanted to see what those
They're not
40s would turn
these-
into if it started hitting.
they started slowing down these 40s. The price started stopped jumping in value. Weird.
Don't worry, there'll be like 100,000 new contracts today.
Bro, I don't even give a fuck. Just let it run. Just let the price go up. I could care less what they're worth right now. They'll go up
Seriously.
eventually.
Dude, I just want Lane to buy 2 trucks.
Yeah, right. Put one on top of the other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lamborghini's increasing production, but jokes on them. We all want cyber trucks, baby.
Ah.
Got him.
God, come on.
Holy fuck.
Elon getting the whole batch ready.
I'm up $1,000 today. 40%.
You don't want to know, dude. You don't want to understand what I did with my money. It's fucking.
Did you literally go all in on those 40s?
Yeah, I fucking put a decent, a modest.
What are you at?
Fuck. I put.
What are you at, dude?
I think I put 25,000 on 40 calls.
Damn, you did all of it on those?
It's just money. Are you fucking? It'd be like a really cool video.
Making me proud. Making me proud.
Shit, man.
He's
I
like,
felt bad about putting what I did. I put 4,500 and I felt bad.
Tyler, how much did you put on the lottos?
That is the
You just
lottos.
said
That is a lot of-
That is a lot.
Jesus.
Hey, look at either. Hey, if you
All right, good luck, boys. I gotta work.
I mean, this.
Underrated on those. I only put like $700. No, 800 on those. Well, I should have put more.
I just don't know if we can get above. The question is can we get above 20 today? I don't think we squeeze today though. That's the thing. It's a Wednesday. Fuck, you still have time. But I'm saying though, if we hit above $40 by Friday,
my God.
there's like no possibility I can hold. There's no way. I couldn't do it. I'll probably sell them, buy shares, and say that's it for me. I'll help the cause. But after that, like I don't think I could, because those would be worth too much money. Like
Yeah.
yeah,
At what
You
part?
know there'll be a flash crash right after.
like you kind of. So what they haven't done, they haven't made any new options yet for AMC, which they most likely will
Printer paper at?
next week. They most likely will, like what they did with GameStop. Because I mean, like with GameStop, when GameStop was down at
Okay.
down at $40, I think the cap you could go at was like when it was here. I remember when it was here. I don't know if you guys remember, but when we were here, the cap was like I think 150 or some shit. And then when you pumped up here, the next when it came out, they came with like I think $500 calls, and it was like holy fuck, what the fuck is that? You know what I mean? And then like things just started getting crazy.
How come June 18th are the only ones with 40s?
Dude,
Is that like sketchy or no?
I have no idea. I fucking no clue.
Like, have you seen that before or not really?
I haven't, but I think that this is this is like the first short squeeze I've ever really traded, obviously. But
But I mean, those 40s have been around for a while. You would think like you could get them.
they probably, I would assume the 40s came out whenever this happened, right?
Okay.
And then I would assume like
They stopped.
because is that quad witching day or no? June? No. I don't think so.
Oh, it might
Yeah.
be.
June is 6. No, that can't be. Or can it? Wait, fuck. Let me use my calendar. Fuck.
Look up now.
I think it is. Yeah, it is because March is.
March 19th.
So yeah, March was
$19,
the 3rd.
baby. Let's go.
Hey, dude, you're telling me, brother. You're telling me.
Oh fuck.
Hey, I'm probably not gonna move all day. Fuck. There's no way I'm going to the gym. I'd probably be sweating before I even before I even got upstairs. I'd be like, fuck.
I'm surprised you're not sweating now.
Dude, we're up. We're fucking up. Party.
No.
I
need to get rid of it.
Bro,
Why do I have to work today?
every 10 cents.
Every 10 cents.
Every 10 cents is one small step for
What's every 10 cents?
It's like a 5% jump.
Oh damn.
Dude, yeah, it's fucking pretty. But once you start getting above, I think like 20, it's gonna really start shooting. I don't know, dude. Fuck.
So this next AMC video comes out. It's gonna be the best AMC video in the world.
What volatility? What craziness?
I just bought some of those 40, and my heart's racing, man.
They were cheap this morning too. At open, they were at 85 cents. Just so if you want to really get some heartbreak. I was like, oh, I think we'll dip. I think we'll dip a little more. And I was like, oh my fuck.
Look at Snap, Tyler.
Huh?
Look at Snap.
Is it dumping or pumping?
Oh, dude, that shit is pumping. Been pumping.
Yeah, fuck. It's going to monthly. Look at it. This is weird movement though because you're getting the Nasdaq not doing well. You know what I mean? And you're still getting tech going up. So this is where like it comes to the point where like I would typically stay away. But I think the Nasdaq is strong at this point. You're seeing tech still do very well, but you're seeing the Nasdaq. I mean, we saw this back in like January, December-ish. A little bit of Feb.
I want to buy more 40. Oh, we should have bought more.
700 is a lot on it.
I'm telling you, the when it's gonna get crazy and when people are gonna get really degenerates is when the new options come out. I'm telling you, if we end this week above 20, the new options will roll out next week most likely. I would assume, and because they're gonna have to start making like $40, $50 options, $100 potentially, right? And dude, man, the degenerates are gonna start rolling in. And then that's when you kind of start getting scared. But like I'm telling you, once it's 40, like paper hands, I don't give a fuck what you call me. I'm out of I'm fucking gone. 60 seconds. Nicolas Cage out.
They'll never find us with our gains.
Never. They'll never find my YouTube channel.
A little bit. I can't see it.
Snapchat? What?
Nasdaq is pulling back. It looks like. Nasdaq.
We're above 19, boys.
Oh my god, dude. About to play Rocket, man. Oh, I can play music too now. Shit.
Yeah.
I need to get a music bot.
Rhythm is a good one.
If you're still holding those $13 call options that expire on the 18th, your price is basically immune to IV now, or not IV, theta. You're indestructible now.
I have about 5 of those.
You're depressing me.
Congratulations, you played yourself. Cue the.
Tyler, I'm not trying to rub it in.
I don't want to talk about it. Actually, you know what? You remember? I want to talk about it. How much did you make? Fuck. Gross. What is it? Just rip the Band-Aid off.
Come on, tell us.
Just rip it off. Fuck it. Just rip it off. You already started
1,500.
it. Dude, fuck.
He's like gone. He's gone. He's like.
He's like.
It was a tease.
Continuing to build the suspense.
Oh, you're building the suspense. Nice.
I'm just mad that I closed
Build it. Pump it. Pump it. Man, what a push. This is wild. Man, we actually might do a Vegas trip. That'd be a lot of fun. Fuck.
Dude.
Man, I'd get fucking canceled. The blackjack would be fun, though. I'm not gonna lie. The blackjack would be a lot of fun.
I'm so excited for that.
Nasdaq's trying to.
I wonder when some of these EV stocks are going to start rocking again, like NEO and, you know.
NEO's been moving up a little bit in the last couple of days, but it's slow.
You know, I just bought a June 4th call yesterday. It's up about 4%, just kind of hanging in there.
Brigo, I'm unmuting you right now. Sorry, Brigo, you're unmuted. But I only mute people if like there's like background noise and there's just background noise coming out. Don't get offended. So if you're ever muted, just
No, yeah, it was on my Apple computer. I switched to my phone.
You're good. Someone messaged me earlier and was like, I've been muted for like 3 days. I was like, well, I'm out of mind reader. Okay.
coffee tastes better this morning for some reason.
I haven't had any coffee. I can't get up. Fuck.
Hey Tyler, I just joined the stream. Did you do any plays on AMC yet or no? Today at least.
Yeah, so I bought some 40s, but like I said, the only reason why I didn't post them is because if I posted them, it would have been 10 cents more expensive because the IV just pumped right out. That's why I told everyone I went live, and so it was just like I couldn't. It would have been shitty of me to post, hey, I got in at this play, and then it's 20 cents more, so an additional what is that, $200? I can't do the math right now.
Yeah.
So like I just don't want to
that
be
makes sense.
I don't want to be shitty about it. You know what I mean? Like that's why I just did the immediate live, and at least you can hear my voice. And then I did there's a YouTube stream too, because I guess there's a limit on how many people can view the screen. Which there's not I don't know why it says a 25-person limit. That's bullshit because there's 48 people viewing it right now. So I don't know what that means. But
I appreciate the update. Sorry for chiming in late and cutting somebody off.
No, you're good. You're good. No one cares. I don't think.
Yeah.
It's dropped a little now. Those things have dropped a little.
It's fine.
I'm gonna get absolutely nothing done at work today.
Yeah, this is too crazy.
That sounds like me every day. Literally every day. Yesterday I was supposed to make some videos and I was like, fuck it, we'll just play blackjack in the Discord all day. That's what we did. That was yesterday.
That was fun.
Did that guy dealer ever come back?
No, that guy.
Y'all ever watched paint dry?
Dude, that guy fucked me in the ass. But let me tell you something. We turned 700 into 4,400 last night. Well, 4,000 last night. I lost 400.
Nice.
That was fucking. Yeah, that was a nice.
Yeah.
Great bounce act. Get that Dunkin' Donuts. Who's ever ordering? I love when y'all take me to the drive-thru.
Let me get a strawberry frosted donut.
I'm winning right now on AMC. Extra sprinkles.
Extra sprinkles,
If you
bitch.
got chocolate frosted, that'd be great.
Holy shit, man. What's the volume at? Do I want to see 110 million and 39 million? Holy.
What? That's disgusting.
Do we smell 1 Billy day loading?
Woo! That would be.
Imagine a 1 billion day. Oh my
Dude,
god.
that's 1.8. I think if this time happened, it would be huge. It would be like 3 or 3. You know what I mean?
There has to be some selling occurring though. I think there has to be. There's no way there's not any occurring. Yeah, look at those available shares coming out of the woodworks. It's fucking terrifying.
Has anybody looked at the level 2s?
No, I'm actually
I don't see anything. There's nothing like crazy on like the sales.
It's Bob Saget, man. That's what happened.
It's all because of Bob Saget.
It's all because of Bob Saget. Dude's a fucking genius. The cameo paid off. Dude, look at this fucking shit.
Oh my god. I love you, Gap.
God, I don't want to look at it. I mean, I would have made a little bit, not a ton, but dude, yeah, fuck me. Look at that. What a call that I didn't pay out on. It's gonna keep. It probably keeps. Well, it's at a big resistance here. Be
Yeah.
careful. Get the fuck off my screen. What the fuck? I took AMC off the screen.
Just trying to
first.
mount it.
Dude, AMC terrifying, man.
Flash dump.
I wonder how many calls are in the. I need to check. Fuck. It's like the only thing Weeble sounds good for. Just checking that. I didn't download. Fucking, of course. I'm going to download all that shit. Damn it. I don't want to do that.
Oh, fuck.
What, dip?
Yeah.
Whatever.
1834. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine.
Look at that volatility. We're just swinging 20 seconds. 20 cents like it's nothing.
But,
Hey, 20 cents like we're nothing.
hey, Bellicus. Or Barba. Is that his name, Barba? Barba? Bradley Martin?
BB?
I wonder if he has like does he have like a house party going on for AMC?
I'm sorry, guys. My bad.
No, oh no, I don't care. I'm honestly kind of just curious if you have a house party going on for AMC.
No, I don't have a house party going on.
That'd be insane.
Now.
He said, "No, I do not."
My bad, guys. That's funny.
No, you're fine.
Hey, we dropped 20 cents like it was nothing.
Did you invite Dom Mazzetti over?
Dom, that sounds familiar. Who is that guy? It sounds really. What Dom Mazzetti merch.
Jim Bro.
Oh yeah, dude. Wow, yeah, frick. Does he look like Dom Mazzetti? Look brother. Oh crap, he might get offended. I don't know.
Dude, I don't get offended by anything. It's good. I was in the military for 11 years, so I don't really care.
God, everyone and their mom in this fucking Discord's in the military. Fuck. Dude, I'm a fucking patriot.
Huh? Okay.
Dom Mazzetti. That was pretty good too.
Oh, yeah, he likes it more.
Man, what a push. This is fucking wild. Whose mic is that? Fuck. Hey, Marky, I gotta mute you, bud. Sorry. Hey, let me know to unmute you, whatever. I can like hear. You can probably hear my dude. They're just sawing my neighbor behind me. Holy crap! They're just sawing. Or to my,
I can hear it.
To behind me, to the one to this. It's like they hired the same tile guy for landscaping or some shit, and they just have endless amounts of sandstone that they're cutting. It's fucking ridiculous.
Oh my fucking god!
They're using a fucking handsaw to cut it or something. Jesus.
Oh.
GPS. Who just turned on their PlayStation? Is that a PlayStation 2?
So it sounded like. The heck?
Someone's like, gotta fire off the old San Andreas for this today. Oh shit, here we go again.
Your hammer on the streets.
Look at this fucking GPS. Holy fuck. That's insane.
Dude. I'm almost up 100%.
Don't worry, guys. I'm retarded. I remember someone hopped in. They go, Tyler, you think it's okay to say retarded? And I was like, I mean, I guess if I have like family members, I mean, I'm not like, I wouldn't call. It's like off of what's that movie? It's off The Office. He goes, you wouldn't call a retarded person retarded. It's like you wouldn't call a gay person gay or a fag. That was the best line. He goes, I call a faggy all the time to people. He goes, it means cool, friend. I go, no, that's not what it means. No. Fuck. Dude, man, AMC terrifying. Holy fuck. Dude, I just want to fucking touch the mute, man. That's all I want to fucking do right now, man.
At least we're above VWAP. GME is not.
Bro, I'm telling you, GME starts crashing. It's not good. It's not good for AMC. People can like get mad all they want. People are finally like on board on it.
I just enjoy opening my account and seeing that my day's unrealized profit and loss is 2.5K thus far.
What a time to be alive, baby. What a time to be alive.
Let's go, Steel. Let's go. Give me back some of my money.
Should have gotten out of Zom yesterday.
I should have got a ZOM a month ago.
I'm just sitting here like.
Bro, I'm the fucking oil whisperer. Y'all held that shit after I got out? Y'all are crazy.
No, I got out after that, but I got back in.
I forgot. I think I got it like right here. Yeah, a little early. Maybe here. I don't know. It was one of these. And then it fucking started falling off a cliff. You're like, oh, buy the dip. I was like, oh, y'all be careful on that fucking oil dip buy. That shit's scary. I've been there before.
We're at monthly now.
Are we at the dip? Are we at the dip now?
Bro, I've been there. Well, oil has bust. You need to see like how they react to monthly levels. Like some don't really react. Commodities don't always react. Like so, Exxon doesn't necessarily. I mean, not Exxon. Steel doesn't necessarily always react well to that level. But what I liked so much about steel was that trend line, right? I love that trend, dude. Look at that triple bot. That's gross, bro. Dude, you are. I don't know how you're in. I don't know how you're in that. That's terrible. What's MVIS doing? I liked it a lot yesterday. I just didn't buy any. You gapped up a little bit, yeah? No. Yeah, a little
Hey,
bit.
do you have your VPN on? Sorry for interrupting you.
No, I don't.
It's getting real. Oh, okay. Thanks.
Let me. I have a lot of windows open though, and I left my computer on all night, so. It's probably because I'm streaming on both.
Yeah, it's a little better right now. It's still kind of choppy, but better than it was.
Dude, look at that bounce. What the fuck? Fucking insane, man.
Yeah, definitely should be getting out of Zom.
Really?
Yeah.
Even for June 18th calls?
I got June 11th.
I got out. I had 4th, and those took a shit yesterday. And then I had some 18th. I just got out. A little bit of loss.
IV on commodities are a lot different, in my opinion. They move a lot different than other stocks. It's just the way it is. So that's why I make pretty quick decisions when it comes to Exxon and stuff. And that's why I don't like, even if you're running on it, like I don't like holding for too long. Just because like it can take a turn really quick.
I just got 100% on my Riot calls, so I'm gonna just cash in on those. That was a good one.
Here we go. Okay. AMC. Okay. Golf claps. A little loud for a golf clap.
Oh, baby.
Hey,
Let's go.
Don't scare her.
Oh, baby.
Oh, GPS. Break that 82. Come on. Oh, baby.
Guy, I knew GPS. I don't want to fucking. Damn it. Fucking bitch. I knew it.
Tyler, it's all in your head right now.
No, dude.
So look,
it's X.
The
I'm
X
telling you.
got in your head, and
But
then
see,
you're like,
I'm coming. So when I come off big wins, I'll hold longer. I'll take losses. But like when I start taking like a loss, that was just one
after a
loss.
lot.
I try to get a quick win back. So that's what I did with snap and pins. When no, I was actually fucking win snap and pins. But fuck yeah, terrifying. Like Piton was a good example. I just got in and out. Dude, look at GameStop, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, Palantir is moving.
Dude, touching any stocks right now, that's scary. I mean, the stock market's doing really well today, like as a whole. Like I mentioned, though, like if tech is still doing good and the indexes are going down. So let's say you look at the market. If you're looking at my screen, you can see like everything's green, basically, right? So if everything's green and the Nasdaq is like pushing down to like a monthly or weekly level or something like that, or daily, chances are the market's still good. You're just getting a little bit of a pullback to start the day. High possibility. Through February and like January, you were seeing this a lot. So it's a kind of a good note to know. Like, so Gap will probably just keep running, to be honest. Like, I mean, even though Gap isn't tech, but if indexes are pushing down right now, when it gets the strength of the index as well, it could really start soaring. So like plays like Snapchat and anything that's looking somewhat positive could really start running once indexes get behind them. Rogan works at I think he works at Discount Tire. He said I was talking to him at like 7 a.m. and he bought in at open. And he just texted me, he goes, "She's dropping." I go, "Oh, what are you thinking?" He goes, "Psych, we good. I ain't selling shit."
This fucking guy. Nah, there's literally like no selling right now, and there's like no shorting. Like the level 2, usually at the closest
they
penny.
can't, I don't think they can anymore. They're
reloading like 2,000 at a time, like 2,000, 2,000,
Dude,
2,000. Right now it's like 300.
If
It's like they're struggling.
I need to see these options.
And the only wall is at $19 to 45,000, if it's even real.
Yeah, fucking fake. Yeah, fucking
Yeah.
manipulation.
fake.
That shit, dude. That shit blows my mind. People say it. Fake manipulation. Fake manipulation. Manipulation. Yeah, look at the Nasdaq doing good. 13.7 almost. Yep. It's gonna pop. Dude, watch this end the week. Oh, I would say, yeah, we end the week probably like up here, touching at least monthly once. But we end the month on Monday. Well, Monday we don't have a trading. So Friday's the last trading day of the month. Friday's monthly close. Just food for thought. Who's doing a Memorial Day Murph? Huh? Memorial Day Murph? Anybody? Nobody?
I am.
I am.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hell.
Yeah, it's all.
I hate Murph. Sorry, there's only once a year, but I hate it.
I was doing it whenever me and Kyle were hanging out. We were doing it like once a month. He like loved it. He fucking loved it.
I hate the run. I hate the run. That's what.
We are no. I think it's easy until the last mile. That's the hard. That's the hard part.
So bad. Like I just can't. Like everything else is fine. It's just the run. Just too much. I know. I'm a mom. I do CrossFit. Blah blah blah.
We have a friend of the family. He owns a gym. It's like, I guess his niche is just like moms. It's like just and older women. It's just all like small classes for them in like the rich white neighborhood. And so, I mean, it works out for him. So.
Yeah, I kick some butts there. I don't mind.
But yeah, it's gonna be horrendous. I've been dreading it. I've been eating like shit too. So I'm like, I'm probably gonna throw up too the whole time. Who else said they're doing it?
I am.
Oh, you are. I figured you'd be the Murph type of guy out of everyone here.
Yeah, for me it's the pull-ups because I'm already a big guy. So I already weigh 235. So
for me, it's when I get off the pull-ups and then I go run. So my biceps are just fucking done, and like holding my arms up is just I don't know. I just want to roll over and die.
Because I'm in New York City, so I have to do the run among the buildings. And
yeah, that sounds terrible.
It just feels awful after like you. I just hope it's not one of those hot, murky days because then everything stinks.
Welcome to Texas. It's fucking hell every time you do anything outside here.
I know. I used to live there. You know, I went to Texas. I lived in Houston for many years.
So hey, my son just committed to committed, like he's an athlete. He chose Texas State. He's
he's gonna be fucking partying, bro.
Nice. He's not that type of kid, man. But check this though. So he's gonna come visit me in New Orleans when the family comes. But I don't think he's that type of kid. But I think he did choose it because the rest of the family's in Phoenix and they go to everybody went to ASU. He chose this on his own. We had no influence. I think everybody was a little secretly bummed. But I'm excited. I get to go to Austin now.
Those are two of the biggest party schools like in like the South. I know ASU is Arizona State, yeah, Sun Devils? Or is that no?
Yeah, I'm from Arizona. Yeah.
ASU is like, yeah, that's like the biggest party school in America, I think. But I don't know anything about Texas State. I just know like all my friends that went there from my city, they all partied a lot. But yeah, you might not. Who knows? But you never know, man. We never are.
He's probably that undercover party animal, right? He's such a good, humble, nerdy kid. Like top 10% of his class. Now you got me worried.
He'll be fine. First 2 years though, man, I'm so glad I didn't go to like university. I would have wasted so much money.
Like my son's not like when he was in high school and everything. He wasn't like the party goer or anything. He just finished his sophomore year in college, and whenever I talk to him, he always sounds hungover, and he's talking about I was at this. Dad, we're at this party and we own the beer pong table for like 30 games straight.
You're good.
You're like, man, this dad's gonna be so concerned now. He's like his son's gonna be getting like railed, like and getting questioned. I'm so sorry.
My boy's still making the dean's list and honors list and all that other shit, but hey, they're kids. Let them do their thing.
Yeah, I mean, if you're making good grades, man, I mean, even you don't even technically need to anymore, I guess. But if you're doing, I mean, who cares? You know what I mean? Like, just don't get someone pregnant like Tyler did. That's all I gotta say.
He did call me with one of those scares, though. He was like, "Dad," I was like, "What?"
I'll never forget that conversation. Yeah.
It's like, you can't tell mom. Like, what did you do?
That's funny. That's pretty gold. I'm looking at open interest right now on AMC. The options for this week. $15 says 23,000. I mean, this is only showing up to 15. I can't even see anything underneath it on Webull. So if you guys have any information underneath, so on 15 we have 23,000 open interest on calls. It looks like 8,300, 15.5, almost 16,000 at 16.
14.
What's 14 at?
15,000.
Yeah.
13 is at 10,000.
20 is another 16,000. God, fuck.
There's
Dude.
just a lot of them. There's just a lot.
I'm surprised
There's
AMC's not pumping.
33.
19's a big resistance right here. Because you got GME pumping it to next levels here.
33,000 at $28 for this week.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I mean, I think now we're getting a little bit greedy, with like hoping like some of these hit. But
oh yeah, those options? Yeah.
But
that's but shit, they probably picked those up at like 20 cents.
What with those when do you think those are going to start really blowing through the 40s?
It totally depends. So, it'll probably. I would assume you wait till next week. I don't think they cover this week. I wouldn't see that happening. The only thing that concerns me with options right now is the proxy vote is Tuesday, and I thought they were released. Didn't they send the proxy fucking email in the morning? I got my email last time early in the morning. I got mine like very early in the morning. I remember I woke up to the email. Either that or they sent it to me the night before and I just didn't read it. But I'm pretty. I'm
late at night, so.
You got yours late at night?
Yeah.
Okay, then maybe it was late at night. So, that's the concern for me is like if the proxy vote comes out with some share count or whatever and it's not good news, fuck, what happens? Or if it comes out and they're asking for dilution, what also can happen. But I still don't see shareholder. I mean, in a shareholder mindset of the retail, people are gonna be like, well, "Fuck them, we didn't get our squeeze. We're not selling nothing."
Exactly, that's what I think so too.
But then the question comes in is like, when is enough enough? Like, you know what I mean? Like, what do people want? Like that's the next real question. But
when it comes back to earth.
So I think that's a concern. But I don't think you see I would be surprised if you saw like a $40 push this Friday. That's why I said if it happened this Friday, I would be compelled to sell probably 150 of my 200 options.
Yeah,
that's
a big ass push before this Friday.
I would have to, and then I would just
I would let
50
be insane.
Yeah, I would let 50 run like whatever happens. I mean, cool if they go to $100, I guess. Super. Like, I don't know what I would do with that, but
it's super.
Like, and then I have a lot of people DMing me in the Discord too about they're asking about, is there people even watch? I want to make sure, is there even watching the? Are you guys watching the YouTube thing or no? Yeah, 14 people there, making sure. It should be letting you watch it on Discord. I don't know why it's not letting you watch it. So that's weird that it's letting like. I think it's just like slowly letting people in. I'll look into it tonight though. Who would have thought AMC goes to $19 overnight? Everyone wants to hop in the live stream.
I was fucking surprised when I woke up this morning. I was like, "Oh shit,
poor
Jim. Gonna be one of those days." Yeah, doing his final today. That sucks.
No, I'm Jimmy Jazz, the Chinese, our token Chinese man.
Yeah.
Hey, quick question.
Yeah, who's that?
Hey, Smash. Hey, quick question. I actually kept like a couple of my options for GPS because I was gonna get hit with the GFV. I should be good holding them over till tomorrow, right?
Did you get them in today?
I got them yesterday.
You can sell today if you want.
Oh,
Yeah.
it warned me. It gave me a warning. I think I might have used some unsettled funds when I bought them yesterday.
Oh, you know what
you
you
don't.
could do?
You don't have.
You know what you could do is you could do a ghetto spread and sell the ones that are just outside of the money higher than that. You can collect some of the profits.
Oh, I already did that, but I have a couple. I should be good to let it run till tomorrow, right?
Yes, because wait, when is there?
I think the earnings is
Fuck.
tomorrow.
Is it? I thought it was tomorrow too. I think I said Thursday. Yeah, it is Thursday. So, by the way, if you're ever using TradingView and their earnings as a day, always double check it with Earning Whispers, please. Always do it.
Yeah.
But I think it'll be fine. Yeah, it's 4 p.m. Yeah, so it's after hours too. You should be fine, unless we see a market dump, which I hope we don't. So you should be fine. You'll probably end up making more money. But I don't see you falling underneath the break even at all. So worst case scenario, you lose a little bit. Best case scenario, you make more.
And it could be that GPS or Gap does some indifferent earnings and it just gets IV crushed to note.
Yeah. I wouldn't hold through. There's a little bit of concern with their earnings, but I think they're gonna be. They've historically been killing the past year. Man, I need a coffee. Holy shit. I understand when people smoke cigarettes now, though. I understand.
Oh God.
This is a
little stressy.
But this is really not the squeeze. I mean, I remember how
no.
GME.
That's why 40 is not unrealistic this week if you think about GME squeeze.
Yeah, GME started out. I got in at 40 for GME, and then it was like it went up to 6. You know, it was like every day it started going up more and more, and then it imploded. You know.
Yeah, I saw it when it was under $20, and I got an alert on unusual whales, and I was like, should I do it? And I didn't get in, and it hit 30 that day, and then that Friday it hit 45 or something ridiculous like that.
Yeah,
And
my 17-year-old son was like, "Mom, you gotta buy GME. You don't understand." He was all over me, so I had to. At the time, I wasn't doing options.
And then 2 days later, she joined Tyler's Discord. The rest was history. and 3 days later, she owned Tesla calls.
Oh.
4 days later, she had her whole portfolio of lottos on AMC.
Let me tell you about Swim, Mom.
Day 5, who the fuck knows?
Fuck, dude, the downward spiral into degeneracy.
I mean, it's not as bad as my buddy fat fingering 350 contracts instead of 35.
Oh man!
It turned his $1,000 bet into $10,000 bet, and he woke up in the morning to $340,000.
Wow!
Yeah.
What a day!
I wish I could have mistakes like that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he's probably so
And
confused.
Why is all this legalization with pot coming, but those talks are just not going anywhere? Like hardly.
Because they were never really that great, even when they were legal. Like a lot of the companies in Canada, they went legal, and some of those stocks took a dump.
I have a friend that he works at
right now during like lockdown.
I think he works for CGC in Canada at a factory. He's like a head manager of one of the factories. He makes fucking great money though. He makes fucking incredible money.
I just set my X options really far out.
Yeah, they don't actually give their employees stock options. They just give them bags of weed to go home with.
He said that people were always getting fired though from work for stealing weed, like all the time. He was like, dude, he's like, dude, like, man, once a week someone was getting fired. He was like, you would think people would be like, they would figure out like, man, I can't steal the weed, I'm gonna get fired, but like they just kept trying.
I'm just surprised they can catch them. I mean, it
They
burns.
got cameras everywhere.
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
And the motherfuckers probably have employee discounts and shit. Like, relax, get another
Huh.
job if you can't afford it.
They were doing the 5-finger discount there.
Taking edibles on the sly.
It's pretty crazy though. He was telling me all about.
The number. That's kind of crazy.
What's up?
The volume of the 40 calls just keeps going up.
I know everyone and their mom's probably buying them. Wow. It looks like we double top though, which is fucking terrifying. For the 5 minute. Oh god. Ugh. I don't want to look at that. That is scary as fuck to look at.
What is?
5 minute chart.
Double toppy at 19. Fuck.
What's the? I want to see the volume. Holy shit! Is that volume? God, 144 mil in the first hour. Wow.
Be insane.
Well, there's no way it hits $1 billion today. That volume.
No.
No way.
Well, it's slowly going back up. It's 18.
I mean, yeah, we're grinding up. That's all we really want.
This is what it did yesterday. This is fucking what it did yesterday. I was.
It's like,
oh, dude, looking at this hurts my fucking head. But then again, like if we start exploding up, I'll make more money on this play than I would on this play. It'll just be a lot more degenerate.
Violent. Yeah.
An hour from now is when you sold yesterday.
I don't
know. We're not fucking selling today.
No, not in the lunch.
No, usually
it was like 7:50. 8 o'clock.
Yeah. So 20 minutes from now.
Yeah, I think I just got back from eating a coffee.
I always notice that there's always a slight dip around 10:30. Always.
Yeah.
Always in the market, somewhere between 10:20 and 10:30. Shit dips.
I was just being too I was being too rational, like with my thinking. I think, which sounds, so I can't be mad about it. Like the Nasdaq wasn't performing yesterday. Like, you know what I mean? Like we were pushing down, we were flagging. Like AMC was double topping, triple.
I just celebrated that were for this Friday, unfortunately, because I didn't want to I wanted to get the initial money out. So thinking like a.
So.
Of course, right when I cut Zom, it fucking takes off.
Yeah, it's taking now. I didn't cut it yet.
I cut it earlier.
You can't get mad at some of that.
It's tough.
Just the way the cookie crumbles.
I'm just so happy I got out of those Tesla calls. I don't even know where they are right now. I got it 22% up. I'm like, I'm out. I'm like, it was just too scary to be in them.
Dude, what a bounce. Holy fuck. Yeah, that Tesla sounds terrifying. Fuck.
People lose their pants in Tesla, literally. Like.
I'll tell you what was terrible. That fucking Nokia call I had to blow back. The second one I got, well, each one of them sucked because the the fee was like $450. Ugh. So like, I think I made like 5,000 on it. The first one, but like the fees total were like $900 because no one trades that many options on them. I was like, oh god. And my dumbass, I was just looking at fucking the chart and what I saw and what I liked. So I just entered and I looked after. I was like, why the fuck? I was like, why did that cost so much? I was like, oh, okay, fuck. Because I always do the math in my head of how much it should cost and how many contracts I can get, and I kind of just guesstimate on that. I like leave a little bit of room for the fee, and it just wouldn't let me. It kept saying I had insufficient balance. Like, what the fuck is it talking about? I do not. I was like, this is a 5-cent stock. I was like, what is going on? And then I entered in. I was like, oh fuck, each contract is like $5 for fucking fee. It's insane. It was like over 10% premium for a fee. It was insane. Dude, man, yeah. It's just because I think the IV in the open interest on those $40, dude, man, if you start getting above 20, 25, my god. It's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go berserk. I don't even know what I honestly, because there's so much open interest there as well.
Someone was saying that it's good to get calls like at the next level up instead of don't get the ones with the most open interest. Is there any truth to that?
So if there's it could be harder to get out of those if you're trying to sell them. Like, so that's one reason why, like, sometimes on YouTube videos I was kind of like slowing down with telling people exactly what I was getting into. I would kind of like exit out too. But like with AMC, man, I don't know. It's kind of, and that's also why I'm gonna be selling probably when we start hitting certain levels. I'm gonna be like, dude, fuck this. I ain't holding this forever. You're crazy. But it can get difficult if there's a shit ton of people and options. That's why I said it is smart to stagnate them, like, and spread. Like, honestly, the way he didn't, I don't know why he didn't go into and explain it. It was kind of frustrating. But Matt Kors, someone sent me one of his links, and he stagnated him. He was like, "Is this smart?" I was like, "Actually, that's really smart what he did. And you should. That's how you should. If you like it over the next few weeks, that's how you should play it." Because it'll be easier. Like, someone was messaging me like, "Will it be hard to get out of the $13 calls?" Like, well, how many do you have? And he's like, 10. I was like, it should be fine. That should be really easy to get out of. But like, if you have like 100 of them, it's gonna be a lot more difficult. You're probably gonna set the limit literally to get out of those. So that's the concern. That's a shitty candle. We sell back-to-back days at the same time. Imagine that.
I wish IPOE would start. Well, it's moving today a little bit. Not real.
Those mergers are scary, man. When they switch over. CCIV is probably gonna erupt whenever they do their lucid merger.
It's gonna run?
It'll probably run then dip.
I was thinking about like buying some calls for July. What is the IV like?
It has to be high.
Would you get into CCIV now, or you think it's great?
I'm probably gonna wait until they announce a day for it's stagnated. There's like no IV on it. It's been dead for a long time. Just days. It's kind of weird that there's no IV that's pumped up.
It's up a little bit. Like, it's gone up a little bit. I mean, yeah, it's like a slow grind up. You know?
It's I don't think it's gonna be a safe stock or a value play for anyone until they had their first deliveries. Once they have their first deliveries, it'll probably erupt. But it's the question is, will they
One of
ever?
my friends bought a bunch of January calls for them. If I want to do that, they're just too fucking expensive when you go out that.
Man,
You like that GameStop or what, G?
I'm watching it. I'm watching what it's doing.
That hole is fire.
Huh?
GameStop.
The actual place or like the stock?
Both.
Bro, I've been in GameStop and I've been there once and it was a terrible experience in the past few
Pretty
years.
sure now that they got all this money, they're gonna like rethink their in-store layouts.
They better hire some fucking more intelligent people because I get pissed off every time I go into the stores.
I still see this stream has ended cricket noise. I mean, I don't see any of your charts or anything. Ah, there you are.
Oof, gross. Ivy's hurt now. Honestly, best case scenario, you see sideways movement into Friday. God, that'd be beautiful. Yeah, I mean, that would be just gorgeous if you saw sideways movement into Friday. Absolutely. Don't think you could get anything better than that. I really don't think so.
Oh my God! Look at the CCIV volume for July. Insane. Like 21,000 open interest for the $30.
You're getting a dip on AMC. Dun 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 dun. Volume really slowing down here. You can see it took a 30 minutes, about 10 million, over 140 in the first hour.
Eesh.
Available decreasing. It's good. AMC 5.
Oh shit.
AMC 500K trending. That's gold.
Hey Tyler.
Yeah.
Look at plug on the 1 hour. Look at that triple top that it's about to do.
Oh man, I don't. Let me count the 5 minute. Maybe get a push retest of 28.5. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Clean Energy's doing well. Really weird. I mean, kind of overdue, but man, I'm telling you, the market right now is weird. Weird movement. I think short term push to the upside is the best way to play stuff right now. You know I don't like Clean Energy right now though, but it's like obviously downside is where I would prefer things to go or see them going, but I think the Nasdaq keeps going up. CrowdCheck looks pretty good.
I think somewhere around 29.86 to like 30 something would be the range.
Just weird movement, man, on the Nasdaq.
That might be where I enter some puts.
I don't really expect any crazy movement on the Nasdaq just with the monthly close coming up. Like you can look at how we react on monthly levels. It's great. See how this is how we moved the last basically week. The whole week we just kind of stagnated up and down, and sideways out the last day or so. So
It's just Cali waking up, selling off.
We'll see here in a little bit, but less available again. Bet Ortex has tweeted like all morning. Guys, short squeeze loading. Pay for our subscription.
Pretty much.
We'll predict the next.
Sorry we fucked up our info the past week, but
I'm sorry if you
we're back on track now.
Sorry you had call options like last week.
Oh, we got 2 AMC trendings right now.
Fucking assholes.
AMC for life.
That is an insane thing. But GameStop and AMC short sellers lost 745 million after Tuesday's rally. Whew, that is gross.
What a waste of money. Ship it.
Down the toilet.
Gosh, we're grinding at this $18.
I don't think it's gonna be like a violent. I don't know.
I don't think we get a crazy push.
It's gonna be like a
until
slow
Friday or
grind.
Tuesday.
I feel like.
Yeah, until Friday or Tuesday. What's just crazy thing about man's like shorts haven't covered. That's just the fucking crazy part. That's fucking nuts. That's just like that's the part that just blows my mind. Is that shorts have not fucking covered. Like, why would you not? Like, fuck.
Because they don't want to be wrong. They're a bunch of egomaniacs.
I don't know. I'm an egomaniac, but fuck. I hate losing. I hate losing money, man. I fucking.
If you get into those $40 calls, they're back on sale at $125.
I'm a fucking major egomaniac, but I hate losing, bro. I do not like it.
It's a good time to add.
Swim mom's. She told you she went down a dark path. She was staying with safe equities, and now she's like, it's a good time to add, you guys. You ever done the lottery? Let me tell you something.
Jesus.
I'm not adding hundreds like you guys, so I'm still a boomer mom.
She's like, I'm only adding thousands. Just relax, guys. It's beautiful. Like like the character development of like Jamie Lannister, but like it's even better. Swim mom. She's like, she turned in from equities to, she's fucking trading Tesla every day.
The furthest out of the money calls.
Available on the books.
Time to load up.
This is how we provide now.
I need to make a commercial on YouTube. Are you a boomer? Are you stuck in ETFs? Look at our success stories. We got DK.
We got plays for you.
We got DK, war veteran. He was stuck in the mentality of long-term investments. Now he trades Tesla every day.
Boom.
Loses, wins. We don't keep track.
He at least breaks even.
Loses, win, doesn't matter. Just loves it. Loves the stock.
I would say I would pick a different stock to love, but each their own.
Okay. Grinding back up. That $40 call volume just keeps going up and up and up.
It's only gonna go up, yeah.
Well, if that hits 40, that's going to be an insane amount of money.
So we get the, hey, that's why I was awarded the belt, just trolling, obviously.
So
By all of us.
It's going to really push high, whether you buy it at 80 cents or $1, doesn't matter anymore.
I mean, the volume's there. It's just, it's slower. We're spoiled if we're getting that 100 million or 140 in the first hour, but it's what, 18 million in the last 30 minutes. Slower. Dude, GME's moving better though. GME is moving better.
Yeah, they've been stuck around 238 for a while, 235 to 238. I do have GME boomer shares. Just sat on the. My first call option purchase was GME 800 calls.
Did those hit? It doesn't sound like those hit.
No, but I made it, they blew up because I bought them when they were about.
No, I was just saying, did they make money? Yeah. Well, of course, didn't hit 800, but yeah.
I made a lot of money when I bought them Friday before GME started the burst, the second run. It was about, I bought them when GME was about $113 a share, and then it went up to 300 and I sold. Yay. This is my, and that has become my trading kitty. option trading kitty. What a risk.
239.
I don't know why it doesn't want to go anywhere. I have those January calls, $10. I should just exercise those probably.
Man, I wish this days to cover was higher. It's the only thing. I wish it was higher. It's really not that high.
I think they're covering. I think they're not covering them.
No, I don't. You think they are? No, I don't think they are. No way. Fuck no. I think you would see this shares returned would skyrocket.
Yeah, that's true.
So I mean, like last night they would have skyrocketed. That hasn't, unless Ortex is just butt fucking us all, which is totally a possibility. Like,
I don't believe Ortex. I think.
Yeah, totally possible. Like they're screwing everyone. Like I've been trying to say that, but
Well, FINRA is a joke.
I'm about to go get a coffee, and I know something bad's gonna happen. Fuck. I leave. Although
You get the diarrhea shits.
Every time I've gotten in that Starbucks line, though, I'm not gonna lie, the stock has gone up.
Alright, well, come on. We'll see you later.
Yesterday when I was at Starbucks, is when it ran to 15. I was like, man, wow. And then I got my coffee and I looked. I was like, oh fuck, it rejected, really hard. Shit.
Oh, what you be getting at Starbucks?
I get a just a black coffee with a shot, and then some steamed half and half.
Damn. Yeah, actually, I've been working there for like 8 years.
My brother worked there. My sister worked there. I said, "Fuck no, I'm not working there." I was like, although, dude, in high school,
They had
it
some
was
hella
sweet.
good benefits, bro. Jesus.
I'm not gonna lie. No shame working there. I just do fuck. I'm just totally opposite as like all my family. Like everything they do, I hate doing. Like they did it, I don't want to have nothing to do with them. But
I feel you.
like I mean, in high school though, I remember like he'd come home all the time and like bring like a shit ton of snacks from Starbucks.
Oh yeah, at night. Yeah, whenever we close. Not anymore though. Fuck, those things just fucking. You get tired of that shit, bro.
Dude, I don't know how you don't put weight on with that shit.
I actually, I did, I guess, but I'm a like I have a small frame.
Yeah, I can imagine, man. Like, I mean, I'm not small. I'm 6 flat, but I still if I eat like shit and I'm not active, I gain weight quick.
Yeah, we just gotta keep exercising.
I mean, that's what people.
Nah, but
when I didn't do, I think I hurt my leg, and so I couldn't like run or do anything for like a month. And people on YouTube, I think all you guys, y'all are the ones trolling me. Like Tyler's getting a double chinny. I was like, dude, I'm telling you.
Getting the double chin.
It'll happen instantly too. It'll happen like.
Yeah.
It's because I mean I literally run and do so much shit. So whenever I stop, it's like my body's like, oh yeah, fuck you, Tyler. It's our time to shine.
Especially when COVID happened. Holy shit.
When COVID happened, I lost a shit ton of weight. I just bought a.
What the fuck? How though?
I just bought a squat rack with like a.
Oh, so you were preparing yourself.
Yeah, I just dropped like $700 on it. I was like, fuck it.
Tesla call. It's up to 618. Fuck, I sold it at like 610.
Dude, I've sold Tesla. Every time I get out of that bitch, I feel so happy. Like it just stress off. It's like I imagine that's how a woman feels after she gives labor. Just so happy to be done with it.
But it's like it went up another percent. I could have like made a killing.
I've only lost money on Tesla, so I refuse to trade it.
Dude, that thing is a fucking bitch, bro. You like see it dipping, like, dude, it has to bounce, right? Nah, fuck no, doesn't bounce.
No, like it went. I literally like I sold it too early though.
God, look at that thing.
Hey Tyler, do you remember your first call
My first, man, fuck.
option trade?
Yeah, I think it was Progressive.
Progressive.
Yeah, it was such a weird trade. I was just looking at stocks, and it had
Uh-huh.
a huge gap up and just ran up like 20%. And I was like, why the fuck did an insurance company run up 20? That's stupid. And I just shorted it, and I was up over 100%, but I mean, my mentality has always been the same. I was like, I sat down and I looked. I was like, okay, should I go in the money or should I go out of the money? And I was like, fuck. Well, let me look at the profit potential. And I was like, why the fuck would I go in the money? This doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm gonna spend more money that I don't want to spend. I'm gonna not make as much money. So it's almost like I had no confidence. And I was like, fuck, I'm gonna go out of the money. So I went out of the money by like, 10% or whatever, and we got the 10% move down. And I think it was like a weekly or something. It was something crazy. It was some degenerate play. Had no like risk management at all.
Yeah, same.
But I was
Pretty sure that's our.
I was using Robinhood, and it was in the money, and I just couldn't figure out how to close it on Robinhood. I was like raging, bro. And I figured out how to close it, and I transferred all my money off Robinhood instantly, and I got it onto E-Trade. That was my first option experience, and it was nerve-wracking, and it was infuriating. And I was like, dude, why do y'all want me to? Because my friends are the one that got me to trade into options. They were like, you need to get into options. Like, fuck. They're like, fuck Forex, fuck commodities. I was like, well,
You were in Forex before?
Well, I was trading commodities primarily, and then, but like, man. So when you trade commodities, like if oil moves up, so let me show you. If you can see my screen.
Yeah, I'm watching.
So oil, this is oil chart. This is crude oil, right? Okay, so when oil moves up, US CAD follows. US CAD, yeah, typically follows the chart. Okay, so sometimes I would double dip because I wouldn't want to over leverage on certain things. But I would trade some Forex, not heavily. It was primarily futures and commodities, but sometimes I would mess with Forex or USD JPY when I saw futures not doing so hot. I would get off of Nasdaq and trade the JPY. But I think all that helped a lot with stocks though, because it's like you learn the flow of money. It just moves differently in kind of the sectors. It moves a little bit differently on the side of it. But yeah, they told me, and after like 2 months, I was like, oh, okay, yeah, this is better. I was sleeping normal times. Because when you trade futures and any of that shit, like you don't sleep. Like Monday through Friday, you have the most whack sleep schedule. You're fucking high strung. You're always on your phone. I feel like, yeah. So, I mean, I feel like now, like with the options and stuff, like I'm not one of the people that like I only work an hour and 30 minutes a day. You know what I mean? That's fucking stupid. No, I mean I probably work realistically more than 8 hours a day if like we're really seeing how much time I spend looking at stocks and stuff.
Yeah.
But it's like it's on and off. It's not like me like it doesn't feel like work for me like because I enjoy it. It's like
you're just doing yourself. Yeah.
It's like it's totally different. Like, but I mean, you have to put in the hours to predict things. Like for instance with Gap, like you know what I mean. Like, granted, like I got out fucking early, but like I've spent so much time on this stupid company, like between reading them and just knowing how they perform with earnings. Like, I mean, it was almost like a gimme. I can't believe I got. I mean, it's whatever. Like, but I also don't get mad when I miss plays anymore. But like, I've just seen how they performed on like every earnings. Like, this is one that obviously did not go as planned. But they're always running up. They're always running up into earnings typically. So. And retail's doing really good. But, there goes AMC, 1862. But yeah, I was telling, we were doing a live stream, we were just playing blackjack last night, but I'm really excited for people to, like, make their money off this shit. Now, granted, if people want to be done, like, I mean, dude, it's your fucking money. Like, if y'all make money, you want to go buy this shit and you not invest it, more power to you. Do whatever you want, like, have fun with your money. But like, if people are actually, I think a lot of people are going to try to reinvest it and try to be like smart, logical human beings, hopefully.
Yeah.
And not do stupid chase Reddit shit again. I mean, you can chase it occasionally with some money, but now you have like side money. Do it with your side money. Don't do it with all your money. But like, people are going to be able to make a decent bit of money off the market, in my opinion.
A modest chunk.
But there will be a major dip. There will be a fucking crazy. I'm wondering how I'm gonna play like lumber because I want to short the fuck out of lumber. That's my like. That's gonna be like. That'll probably feel
Just
sweeter.
going straight for his dad.
That'll feel sweeter than this when that shit dumps.
I'm so ready for the lumber short.
Yeah, but you can get fucked if you don't time it right. That's the only thing. I had to look into how I'm gonna play it because I want to have enough time on it, like to where. Because what I might do is I might just like push damn near all in when I do it, and just let it and like just not trade or day trade for a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't fucking know. 'Cause I think it's gonna kill. I think it's gonna like die. Like, we'll see. But people like right now is just like they're just building. They're just throwing homes up everywhere. It's like fucking crazy. Like.
Well, with everything that's going on, people getting vaccinated, being able to go back to work, not having to wear masks when they're vaccinated, the lumber supply is going to come back, and that's when it's going to tank.
Dude, Chick-fil-A sauce is at a short. I mean, what the fuck is going on in America right now? I can't even get more than 3 Chick-fil-A sauces when I go to Chick-fil-A now. There was a whole article on that. I don't know if you guys saw that. Kind of a troll, but it's a real thing, just so you know. Chick-fil-A sauce, their special secret sauce, is at a lifetime shortage right now.
That's crazy. All the ingredients.
The shit out of the sauce.
I didn't hear what that. Someone said something, but like your mic was really fuzzy. Elon Tusk. AMC exploded. Everyone trolling with crypto.
Hey, have you seen all those bots posting to sell on Friday?
Friday, yeah, I saw.
I'm
it
like,
this
what
morning.
the fuck?
Yeah, I saw.
What the hell?
I wouldn't be surprised though. Just saying, not gonna post it in a YouTube video because I'll probably get a fuck ton of hate. I wouldn't be surprised if that's fucking AMC. I'm telling you, AMC wants to fucking dilute. It doesn't make sense that they don't. That's why I'm afraid of the proxy, because I'm afraid that they're gonna say something like that and then people are gonna get scared. Like, that's the only thing I'm scared about.
Wait, so you think that's like the AMC, the company, doing that because they want to dilute?
I don't want to like convince anyone of anything like that. I'm just saying it's a possibility.
I mean, I can see that as well.
Because I'm just saying right now, the proxy's on Tuesday. The proxy, they send out the newsletter, which will give you like a share count too on Tuesday. But in my opinion, like as a company, you have no more shares to dilute. You have you have money on the book, so you're fine there. But you have to dilute this. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this just makes sense. Like, any company, any CEO in the world would dilute this unless you were a literal monkey. Like, no one would not dilute this. Like, you know what I mean? Like, not saying immediately, but like GameStop, they did it like, GameStop literally, they're able to give a fucking dividend because they.
But the thing was, this is what I'm thinking, right? Because like,
dude,
GameStop was so cheap back then. You know what I mean? So maybe they're expecting AMC to kind of do what GameStop did, is like squeeze up and consolidate at a higher price. I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying I don't see it happening. I don't see it happening like tomorrow. Like, I think people when I say it, people think, "Oh my God, Todd thinks they're gonna dilute this week." That's not what I'm saying. That's not at all what I'm saying.
They could ask.
Like, even if let's say the vote went through, they wouldn't get the vote count until like months down, like 3 months down the road. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
So
take a long ass time.
That's why they moved back this like the shareholder meeting and shit. So we'll see. Fuck, I don't know. All I know is when Adam Aaron goes on Trey's interview, it's gonna be interesting.
Feel like they wouldn't put that in the proxy because like he knows how it like fucked with everyone's head. I feel like, you know what I mean?
Dude, I have no clue. Like, honestly, I have no idea how that man thinks. He
sold AMC
at $9, bro. Like,
I know, dude.
I have no idea. Like, so after I saw him, his average sale was $9. It wasn't even at 12. So like, That would have made me feel better if it was at like 11 or 12, but it was 9, like 950. I was like, fuck, like you can't read this guy's mind. He's fucking nuts. I don't know what he's. And then like he sold up here. I was like, I have no idea what this fucker's doing. Like, okay, whatever. And then Wanda sold. I was like, what the fuck is like, dude. So he probably knew Wanda was gonna sell too. It was probably smart for him to sell before Wanda sold.
So do you think maybe he thought that with Wanda dumping that many shares that he might not even get 9?
No, he probably knew where Wanda was going to sell.
No, he probably wanted to sell. He probably wanted to sell before Wanda. He didn't want to. He didn't want to seem like he was probably taking. Yeah, I think people might have taken it the wrong way if he sold after. Because I mean, when he sold,
they were too, that would have sucked.
Yeah, because when he sold, I was like, what the fuck? I was like. Dude, if one more person joins the fucking Discord with a $5 membership, I'm gonna lose my mind.
There's no way for you to like stop that?
No, there's no way.
That's fucking.
How are they doing that?
Can't just. Oh wait, that would cancel all of our Patreons, right? Never mind.
Yeah, you're like fuck.
You can't ask Patreon to do something?
They have terrible customer support, dude. Patreon has some of the worst customer support I've ever.
They charge you for contacting them.
They charge you for everything.
You got to pull a Belmont and create your own website.
Or create your own OnlyFans.
Holy shit.
Pretty fucking much. Dude, you know how big of a hassle that shit is to make your own like website like that? God, it's a bitch. For 4%, fuck that. Keep the 4%. I don't.
Just to shut it down.
Well, no, I'm saying because like it'll typically it'll connect your Discord to your Patreon. So like if you don't pay, it'll just kick you off or take your title away for me. But so like that's worth it itself. Like because I don't spend any time checking. Like some people will sit in the Discord for like 7-10 days, and then I'll just ban you if you don't pay. Like that's just scummy. Like whose mic is echoing? Whose mic is that?
Let's see. Make some noise.
They fixed it. They're like driving around.
Oh, they fixed it.
Is that me?
It might
have
been. You're good. Yeah.
All right, my bad.
I'm honored though. You want to drive with me in your car? Fuck. So much love.
Hey.
Such a community.
Definitely a loyal follower of you.
Dude, look. Oh my god, if it breaks up. Oh my god. Fuck. If it triple tops though, fuck me. Dude, let's draw some fucking triangles, boys. Say.
Do it.
Start getting hyped.
Dude, after last night, bro, dude, luck's on our fucking side, boys.
Yeah, that was a good night.
Dude, last night, fuck. If you guys weren't in there, let me tell you something. We were going heavy.
What happened after I left? Did you go play Crash or?
I played Crash, lost like $400. I was like, I'm out of here. Going to bed. Night. I was like, fuck that noise. I'm out of here.
So you're still up like 3,600.
I was still up huge. Yeah, fucking huge. I was like, get me out of here. I need that money to throw into AMC tomorrow.
Oh, is that a little retest of the top of the triangle?
Fucking triangle. How's the OBV look? It's okay.
It looked pretty. Someone posted a picture. It looked pretty cool, decent.
Yeah, a lot of people are using OBV, man, as of recent. Fucking. Only person I care that uses it, fucking Andrew. I hate that dude. That dude's a fucking con artist, man. People fall for that bullshit. AMD looks really good. Huh.
Doing a little hook down again.
Look at that. Oh, that's fucking scary.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. It's not weird at all. You broke that double top to there. Oh my god, dude. Look at this shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna message Belmont.
Do it.
He said you're not gonna make any money.
Okay. Like, dude, I tried to get to your website and I couldn't get to it, and I haven't seen you post a video in a week.
I said, where's the website? Is the Ruby Club still full? Oh, God. Dude, man, let me tell you something, though. Whenever my stocks are doing bad, I'm going to get trolled by so many people. And I'm going to have to take it like a man. Dude, man, what bad luck on Belmont's part, though. Man, you jump off ship and like 4 days later, this happens. Imagine. Fuck. YouTube, his whole YouTube is probably fucking down the toilet, man. Holy shit. That's fucking
damn near.
He still hasn't posted a video.
Fucking took his website down, everything. Fuck.
Everything.
That's tough.
You should screenshot that DM and post that shit.
Just for what? One roast video. That's pretty pathetic.
Oh, GME 244 got a big push.
Yeah, again, a little bit of pushback. So is AMC. There we go. Come on.
Here, I'll be right back. Here, I'm gonna go get a coffee real quick. I'll do a stream. I'll do a YouTube stream too with the belt and.
Don't do it. It's gonna go down. Stop.
No, he has to go there and order. He just can't take the coffee with him.
Yeah,
fuck, bet.
They hand me the coffee. I'm using Apple Pay, bitch. Keep it.
For real though.
Hey Tyler.
Yes.
I had an idea for you on your
nice.
the $5.
You sound like
the $5.
You sound like so nice compared to everyone else in this Discord. It's like, man, we're all like fucking degenerates.
Well, I was listening to the story of the one lady's descent into just degeneracy, and I was laughing like crazy, thinking I'm probably quick on her heels. But anyhow, I have an idea for you on the $5 sub issue. Why don't you go in the opposite direction? Since we're locked in to whatever price, some might have gotten the early bird and the others are at 15. Why can't you set your subscription price now to $999.99, and everybody will look at that entry price, and no one's going to take that.
Well, it's a thing that was already. Someone already. Oh, look at it fucking go! Oh my god. It was something that was already happening. Like someone did it a long time ago, and they did, and they told me they're like, "Hey, look, just so you know, this can happen." I was like, "Okay." So you can go in there and you can click like. There's options like you can pay for tier, or you can do like I think it's like make a donation or some shit, and it'll show that you make a payment or it's like a custom payment or something. So it can pop up like if you're just like scummy enough to look around for it. But I think people are just running into that issue because like they're trying like people are just trying to sub right now. But I mean I'm just refunding it anyways at this point. Like I think if I refund it within the first 30 minutes, it won't charge me anything. So like I just have to like have my Patreon on. So I have thought about
it.
Triangles. I know it's a
I thought maybe it just defaulted to a low number, so I just thought that might have been a solution. Okay, before you go for your coffee, as you're standing in line, I'm mostly in shares. I've missed the opportunity to join you when the implied volatility was low. And so my question is, will there be any opportunity, and what would it look like for someone to now join you in an options play? So the one that you're in has obviously gotten away, that it's now trading around $6 or so, and the implied volatility is quite high. So what might I be looking for in order to at some point join in if it continues on up to say 40, should that happen? So as you're standing in line, would you think through what you might tell us that are kind of longing to be in?
Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen or no?
1925.
Can you see my screen charts?
Yeah.
I don't know if she's watching or not. I haven't left yet. So she was saying.
Okay.
I was like, can you see my screen? But if you can't, I posted the YouTube link as well. So I'm live on a private YouTube thing as well. Let me tag you where I'm at. I just tagged you in the long-term thing. Just click that link.
So you've tagged me where? Inside the Discord somewhere?
Yeah. I'll just DM you the link. So there should be almost no delay on that. So as you're watching though,
perfect.
So what I'm personally looking for is, let me know when you're on the stream. I don't know.
I'm having a little difficulty getting to it. My apologies.
You're fine. It's kind of the bitrate's kind of fucked up on there. You can still pretty much see though.
It's not.
Hey, I need charts and coffee to keep talking because this price keeps going up every time you speak.
Yeah, dude. Every time when she was talking, I was kind of like losing focus. The shit was like skyrocketing when she was talking.
I know. It's like
Did it open up for you though, or no?
No, it hasn't. And it could be just that.
That's weird.
I'm on my phone right now.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. So what I think's gonna happen? So I'll let you know. I can post a picture too.
Okay. I was going back to YouTube, but not through your link. I pressed on it and it wasn't allowing me to go to it for some reason.
Yeah, that's weird. I did unlist it so only you guys could join, but here I'll send a. So I sent a picture of a chart to you. So what I expect, and I'll just kind of explain the chart of what it looks like. So you're probably gonna get a massive push up. I don't know where we're gonna get to push to. I can't give you a direct answer of we push to. I don't think it's gonna be as slow as GameStop pushed. Okay, so GameStop, I mean, well, actually, this is probably a better looking chart. Maybe we'll see. Here, let me send this one. I'm doing it kind of quick. My thirst for coffee is maximizing. Okay, so I posted another one. I sent you another one. Okay. So if you're in the stream, then whoever's in the stream, you'll be able to just look at what it is. So we have this sideways movement going. We trended like 20, and then we pushed up. I think this is kind of what phase we're in right now. We're getting this just parabolic push. Things are different though now in this push, in my opinion, than before. One, people have already seen what's happening. This is fucking all over social media. The question though is like, does it?
Now you got fucking people holding till.
Yeah, people aren't fucking selling. Yeah, people literally think in their head like we're going to 500K. I don't think that's a possible. I would be willing to chop my feet off if that like no. Yeah, I would, because that doesn't seem like even a possibility. But whatever. So I think you're in this phase that is going straight up right now. If you start to see consolidation to this way, I mean, I'll mention also too. Like I'll be like, hey, I'd buy some more options at these levels. Okay, I still have like eight to 9 grand that I can spend on options if I really wanted to. But another thing, so when you get this sideways movement, that's where I would be like, okay, maybe I start to enter some more. Because one thing you'll notice too is there any selling going on? And it doesn't look like there's any selling going on right now at all. It looks like there's shorting going on, but there's no selling going on, there's a difference. So on AMC, when we were seeing a push up to like 14.5 every time, we kept getting rejected and dropping back down. That meant we were getting shorting, and then people were also selling at that resistance. It wasn't just the short attack. So everyone that was saying short attacks, they're all fucking idiots because they were all wrong. It wasn't a short attack. People were just selling. Wanda was selling. Adam Aaron was selling. They were all selling their stock, right? And so now I don't think we're seeing anyone sell. So the real big question is like, when does BlackRock, when does Vanguard sell? But in my opinion, if we just start moving sideways and trending sideways, that's going to be your only opportunity to get into options. Anything other than that, it's really risky. And then also, if you use Market Chameleon, it's free to use. You just type in AMC implied volatility. It's the first one. You can make a free account.
I just set it up this morning.
Yeah, and then it's just type. Yeah, it's free. I mean, look at the volatility. I mean, here, I'll take a screenshot. Everyone in the Discord can now. They updated this. It's probably higher than this. Holy shit! Wow. I didn't think they would update it today.
Oh my
God. I'll post it in the Traders Lounge.
1927. That's wild.
So
when you come back from your coffee, so that is helpful. Thank you.
Yeah.
And when you come back from your coffee, maybe you can tell us how it is that we can tell the difference between when it's just short selling or when it are actual sellers in the market. So is there a place where we kind of view that? So again, I'll mute myself, go get your coffee, and you can come back and tell us.
I'll answer really quick too. I'll be on YouTube too, so you can see the screen. No one should have any problems at that point. But with, let's go to game AMC. And this is just my visual perspective. I can't give you a definite answer. Like that's how like anyone saying like this is someone short selling anything like that. You can't really give a definite. That's why when it was getting sold off here, I was like, I think Wanda's selling, but I can't say for sure. It's just a gut. And then people are like, Wanda's not fucking selling, Tyler. You're an idiot. And guess what happened? Wanda fucking sold the whole boat. I was like, what the fuck? The bitch just sold 30 million. But in my opinion, you're seeing the short selling, and how do you know the shorts are still coming in? Is if you go to Fintel. You can see, go to Fintel, AMC. You can actually use the short ratio every single day. It'll show the total short volume. It'll show the total volume traded that day, and then it'll show the ratio. But the short volume is all you need to look at is how many of those shares were shorted. So like yesterday, we had 212 million volume, and 57 million of those were shorts added. Okay, now the ratio will tell you it wasn't that big of a day, being 27. Based on the last, 10 days, right? That's almost like the third least, right, on the ratio. But if you look at the actual volume, it's the third highest. So that was a huge day for shorts. There was still a shit ton of shorts added yesterday, but overall we kept going up, showing that there was no big sellers. And that's my opinion. So like when you're seeing these big walls being hit and we were getting set there, it was people just holding us off. That's why we just kept trending at those key levels. Like you just kept trending. You just kept getting rejected. That one was good, dildo. But you can see. I mean, like we just kept getting rejected all at that line. I don't think you can see my chart, but I'll go over it again later. But that's the difference. And this is no short selling. This is no selling, and then this is Wanda selling. And then the same thing happened right here. AMZN selling. Boom. AMZN selling. So I'll explain it a little bit deeper, I guess, when I get back. But I think that is like the best and easiest way I can explain that.
Perfect. I've moved to my computer now, and I'm pulling up YouTube, so I kind of missed that little bit of live there. But I kind of get how you deduced from the use of the two numbers that it was a short seller versus an actual sale. But yes, if you want to go over it again, for those of us who were in the cheap seats here in the back still learning, I'd appreciate that.
If you're getting
Thank you.
If you're using that link, you should be able to rewind, just so you know. But I will go over it again when I go live.
Okay.
Because I'm sure there's gonna be a whole bunch of people that aren't in the Discord asking the same question. So, anyways, always feel anyone like you can ask any questions you want. Like, first of all, you're paying to be here. Second of all, there's probably someone with the same question, right? And then this is just my opinion, though. This isn't like there's no factual evidence providing behind this. This is just what I think, and so far it's kind of played out and worked in my favor. So I'm gonna keep thinking what I think. But
yeah, marvelous. Not financial advice.
Yeah,
right.
I'm not uncertain. That's gonna be that's the new one. All right, I'll be back.
But I think you're totally earning your belt. Much respect. Okay, enjoy your coffee. Bye.
Let's go to $20, baby. Let's go.
Let's go. I could feel y'all begging to get in some chance. Dude, the fucking $40 aren't moving, bro. People need to be buying these bitches. Dude, look at the open interest on the ask. Look at the ask.
Well, where's the FOMO? Because there's definitely not. This is not FOMO,
bro. This is just.
Nah.
Dude,
this is the second day AMC has been like 12% up.
This is not the pop. This is not the
pop. This is not the pop.
As Arnold would say. Here, this is what I'm gonna leave you all with. Actually, I can close the YouTube stream because I'm about to